Hello friends, my name is Gurdev Singh Kalsi from Kalsi Estate, and today we are talking about one more branded builder which is in Kandivali in Thakur village, and the project name is TW Garden, which is developed by Wadhwa and Thakur Group in joint venture. uh, Project Tower is absolutely very good, and they have come up with two towers. A wing they had launched 1 year back. Now they have come up with second tower, B tower. Both the developers are very reputed developer, and project they have very high rise tower. It is, and it's exactly in the heart of Thakur village. And सबसे बड़ी बात इस पे ये है कि they have a payment plan, subvention plan. So let's see the PPT of the project and the details about the areas and everything and the area number and everything. And we'll go in detail how the project is, what is the area and when is the position date and everything. So friends, before we start, I just want to show you this is my firm name kalsiestate.com, and this is my mobile number 7400138561. If you have any inquiry, you can call me on this number. So here we are with the PPT of the project or brochure, you can say. This is how the elevation of the building is. It's a very glamorous entrance and 5 level of podium parking. These are all parking over here. They have ground level parking and they have basement below also. And this is the entrance of the building. It's a very glamorous entrance. Construction quality will be very good. Even the elevation of the building will be very good. uh, we come below over here. Here you can see the elevation of the building. Then they have car parking area, and you have Sanjay Gandhi National Park view. This they have mentioned over here. Then you come below. Connectivity is very good from the Thakur village. You can go to Kandivali station. You can go to metro line. Then you can go to Borivali station. Here they have mentioned everything: metro line, Kandivali railway station, Borivali railway station. Airport is 15 kilometers from here. Everybody knows where is Thakur village. Thakur village is very famous in Mumbai, and everybody knows about Thakur village. In fact, and this is from for if you are traveling to Nesco or Mindspace East in Malad, then this location is very good to travel from here. I mean, hardly 6 to 6 kilometer. Then Nirlon is somewhere around 7.5 kilometer. Nesco is again 7 kilometer. All the hotels are very close by, shopping and entertainment, hospitals, education. So actually, ecosystem is very good of Thakur village. Whoever comes here, they feel that they are staying in the right area because they get everything right from DMart to school to college and hotels, restaurants, doctors, playgrounds, everything is there. So ecosystem is very good of Thakur village. Here they have shown the plan of the area where we see here. This is a Western Express highway over here. This is the highway, and this whole area is Thakur village. It is more than 1 kilometer radius, 2 kilometer radius, and this project is exactly in center of Thakur village. Backside is National Park over here, Sanjay Gandhi National Park. So this project is exactly in center over here. So here they are coming. The project name is TW Garden, and the second tower they have launched. That building name is Orchid. So this is where the project is located. Again, here they have shown this is how swimming pool elevation, then internal gardens, sample flat. I'll just make this my picture slightly smaller so you can see it more better. This is the sample flat picture. Amenities wise, they have everything. All the amenities are written over here. So all major amenities they are given over here. It's a Vastu compliant flat. This is actual picture taken from the drone after when the building comes up. So you, if you are buying a east side flat where the sunrise come here from here, you get purely national park flat. और यहाँ पर तो बरसात के टाइम पूरा धुंध और बादल छाया हुआ रहता है, तो इट इज वेरी ग्लैमरस लुक ओवर हियर. इनफैक्ट गरीबों में अगर आप देखोगे झाड़ियाँ आपको नजर आएगी, बरसात में देखोगे आपको क्लाउड से पूरा ढका हुआ नजर आएगा. तो इट्स अ वेरी फैंटास्टिक व्यू. एंड सेकेंडली क्लाइमेट ओवर दिस साइड, दिस स्पेसिंग, इनफैक्ट क्लाइमेट इन ठाकुर विलेज इज at least 3-4 degree less than the other areas because of the national surrounded by national park. So ठंडी के दिनों में भी आपको कम से कम अगर बाहर 22 डिग्री है तो यहाँ पर 18 डिग्री होगा. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड साइन. Location is very good. I mean, this is the picture of the gym. Then again, yoga center. Uh, Again, there is a playground over here, maybe for senior citizen zone. Then there is a park for children, play park area. And you come below, and these are all testimonials given by clients. And these are all the project which is completed by Vadwa. Vadwa is a very branded, good builder. They complete all the project in time, and they have built more than 500 buildings and more than that in Mumbai itself. So you can blindly go for it. So now let us see the other payment plans and areas of the project. So this I have saved in WordPress file, so you can see directly from here. Here, very first thing, it's the plot area is 2-acre plot, where 2-acre it's a 2-acre plot where they have 2 towers, and it's a freehold land. They have 2 basement, ground level, and 5 level of parking. That means 5, 6, 7, 8 level of parkings are there, plus 36 habitual floor, 5 elevators, 5 lifts in each wing. So it's a very good sign. 5 elevators they are having and 8 level podium parking. Then flexible payment plan. They have plan where you have to pay 20% now. Then you take some gap in between and you pay 20%. Then again 30%, and then on possession you pay 30% throughout. So this is like 4 years plan. The next plan is more better. I would suggest to, if you are eligible for loan, then you can go for this plan where you have to pay 10% down, 10% you pay at the time of registration, which will be maximum 1 month or 2 months time. 80% will be given by the bank, and builder will pay this EMI till the date of possession. So you don't have to pay any EMI till the date of possession. You have to pay only 20% and get registered. Only loan. You should have the eligibility of the loan. So this scheme is much better nowadays. No builders are giving this scheme. If Vadwa is giving this, so you should take benefit of this scheme. Again, the RERA number is there. Possession is very early, 2024. Carpet area for 2 BHK, they have 624, where price starts from 1 crore 53 lakhs. Again, larger 2 BHK, they have 680 square feet carpet. Starts from 1 crore 69 lakhs. 2.5 BHK, they have 785 carpet, starting from 1 crore 92 lakhs. And 3 BHK 918 square feet carpet area starting from 2.22 CR. Of course, other charges will be separate on this, about around 6 to 7%. Then token amount hardly you have to pay 1 or 2 lakh rupees for one, or which depends what you buy. So here below there is my number over here. That's all. So friends, that's all. This was about TW Garden. If you are interested in 2 BHK or 2.5 BHK or 3 BHK, you can call me on my number. You have a number 7400138561, and the project is definitely very good. It's a branded builder. You can blindly go for it. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching this video and listening to me. Thank you very much. Good night. Thank you.